Okay, now look at this channel. This channel is quite profitable and getting quite a lot of views. It's all about promoting the craziest and most amazing stories from around the world. No need to show your face in these videos. A smart combination of voiceovers generated by AI and online content that you can find in the internet is enough. This channel has more than 700 subscribers, amazing video views, and all of these videos are well liked and all of these videos are well engaged, reaching over million views, and that is unbelievable. Other than that, they release up to 4 videos every day. As revealed by the Social Blade, which is like one of the most reliable YouTube income source, it reveals that this channel is making up to more than 100k per month with an astonishing views. This is simply crazy, and guess what? There are more. Look at this channel and this channel and even this one. All these channels follow the same playbook and getting tons of views and tons of engagement. In today's video, I'll take you on a journey to discover the secrets of this channel because their success is not an accident. As content creators, we have to be aware. If a lot of people are finding success with the same method, same content, there's surely something worth paying attention to. So we have to dig there. I'll walk you through the full process from designing your channel logo, banners using AI to start from zero and create similar channel. I have got all the details covered from the writing script to finding free and high definition content, editing videos to creating that perfect thumbnail. So stay tuned, stay focused. So take your cup of coffee and get ready. First, let's analyze our benchmark account. So this is our account that we are going to analyze, the channel from which we will shortly be learning before moving to our hands-on part. Before we are doing anything, first we have to get to understand and do our research. As I mentioned before, one thing about these videos that stand out are their attention-grabbing images and well-matched titles that capture the viewer's curiosity, which is a major factor in the massive amount of traffic they receive. For this reason, when choosing topic for your videos, it's important to choose content that draws viewers' curiosity, as this is crucial in determining whether or not your channel will be successful. Now let's talk about video length. Look at here. Each of these videos is about 25 minutes long. As we all know, the length of the video determines the success of your earnings, your revenues. The longer the video, there will be more room for additional ads, which translate to the increase of ad revenue. So I recommend you to limit the duration of these videos to 8 to 30 minutes, as the mid-roll advertisements are only available for videos longer than 8 minutes. Finally, let's look at the content. As you can see, the video scenes are composed of a variety of internet resources enhanced by voiceovers produced by AI. AI tools make it easy to create such videos, so how do we go about doing it? Okay, now let's go and create these videos. First, we have to build our own channel. For that, let's go to ChatGPT and inform it our needs. I told ChatGPT that my goal is to start from zero and create a fantastic YouTube channel that is motivated by curiosity. I want to share amazing and unusual stories from all around the world and use the audience curiosity to help me to get momentum quickly. I need you to provide me with 5 channel names, descriptions, and designs for the profile picture and banner. Now let's hit the enter button and let's see what is ChatGPT giving us. Okay, now let's look at the answers for the channel descriptions and banner design to see which one you like most. And I think Epic Enigmas is quite good. After that, we go to the Leonardo AI to create the banner and profile photo. Midjourney is also another good option, but it is a paid service. I think it is one of the greatest software. But if you want a free option, use Leonardo AI. That is also quite a great software. You can utilize Leonardo AI for free and create your logo and banner, or you can go to Canva and create your own. The choice is yours. And now let's enter the avatar prompt words provided by the ChatGPT. And now here we are after a few seconds. Not so bad, right? So I think I like this one. So let's download it now. And now let's create the banner next. And now after creating the image, I will go to Canva and resize my image to a channel banner size. And I think this one goes well with the theme of my channel, so I'll save it. And now to resize it, let's open Canva. And next, click create a design to search for YouTube banners. And select the template you like. Upload the save image. adjust its size, and download it. And now let's put all this together and see how our new channel turns out. Not bad, right? Okay, congrats! Now you have already taken the first step towards success. Before we begin making our first video, let's use ChatGPT to generate scripts based on our previous conversation. So let's go to the same chat again. And now I put information like this. I need you to provide me with 10 video topics under the theme of 10 adjective noun in the world. They should be intriguing enough to captivate viewers and arouse strong curiosity. You can replace adjective and the noun with any words you like. And now let's see, ChatGPT will provide you with script ideas. I could spend a long time scratching my head if I had to think of 10 ideas like this. But ChatGPT come up with them within 5 seconds, and it's really amazing and incredible. I think this is a great topic that will probably grab viewers' interest. So I told ChatGPT to write a script that is at least like 1500 words long and include the title Top 10 Most Mysterious Places in the World. Maintain a mysterious tone, avoiding unnecessary details. Structure the video to unveil the places in descending order from 10 to 1. Place the most captivating revelation at the final to enhance viewers' retention until the end of the video. As you can see, the 1500 words and above are used to make sure that the resulting video is longer than 8 minutes. ChatGPT wrote a really good script. The opening is engaging, the video structure is similar to those of the popular videos, and these are nearly flawless. And here's a little advice when you're interacting with ChatGPT. Treat it like a capable colleague. Imagine explaining your needs to a real person. Brief descriptions result in high-quality outcomes. All the commands we used in today's video are shared in the description for your use. And now moving on to the next step, we need to create a voiceover based on the script. For this, I am using Lemon Labs, which is in my opinion the most user-friendly AI voiceover tool available nowadays in the market. And each account is given like 10,000 characters per month for free. If this is not enough for you, you can subscribe to the starter plan, which is cost around like $5. I promise you that $5 is well worth it. You can choose your favorite voices on homepage or explore more options in the voice library. I found a voice that I think is excellent, mature, mysterious, perfectly fitting for my video. And now here click Add to Voice Lab. And now here click Voice Lab, choose your voice, copy and paste your script, and click Generate. And finally, let's listen to the result.
Welcome, fellow explorers of the unknown. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the top 10 most mysterious places in the world.
Okay, now let's go back to our previous conversation and ask ChatGPT to match visuals based on the script for me. There are 2 key points here. First, extracting keywords from the script. Second, searching for relevant materials on stock footage websites. If you have to manually extract keywords sentence by sentence, it would take a lot of time. So what should we do? Remember that ChatGPT is a helpful assistant. So let's use that. My prompt is like this. Please match visuals based on this script for me. Change the visuals every 3 seconds and list the corresponding keywords for each visual. Provide the information in a table format. By switching up the images every 3 seconds, you can increase the viewing period of videos and keep viewers interested. Getting the result in a table format also saves a lot of time for the organization because it produces detailed results quickly. And now the results were much better, the visuals are well relevant with the script, and the content was rich. And now we have to find content using these keywords. I like to present 2 easy-to-use stock websites, Pixabay and Pexels. These sites provide entirely free materials for commercial usage without compromising copyrights. For starters, these free websites are more than enough. Later, as your channel earns money, you can explore paid websites for even richer and even high-quality video materials. This also helps avoid using the same materials as others, preventing viewer fatigue. Now I'll show you how quickly and efficiently you can find these desired materials using Pexels. As an example, let's say Pexels has a vast collection of high-definition images and videos. Pixabay, on the other hand, has illustrations, vectors, sound effects, audios, and lot more. You can click on the related terms in the pixels, suggest based on your preference by scrolling down. And you can also keep scrolling to find additional footages that is similar. This greatly increases the effectiveness of our search. For my introduction part of this video, so let's say I want to find a rotating world. So let's enter our keywords and find this one. And I think this is pretty much great, and now let's download it. To avoid having to look for the resources one at a time when editing, to make your editing process simpler, I suggest you to number the items sequentially when sorting them out. Just arrange them by number. Even if finding high quality assets takes time and work, it's all good for the success of your video, right? You have to find good quality content. Now that the audio and video are all ready, all we need to do is merge them. Open CapCut, import all the necessary materials, add the audio to the timeline, add the visuals to the timeline according to the numbered order. If you didn't number them when downloading, this is where you might go crazy. Match the positions of the scenes and audio. You can add some effect to make the visuals look more mysterious. And also you can use the auto caption functions to add captions to your video. I consider this is one of the best features of CapCut. And lastly, don't forget to add mysterious background music. You can search this music for in YouTube, or you can search them in Pixabay, or you can use the copyright-free music provided by the CapCut itself. Just pick one and add it to the video. Now all that left to do is create a stunning thumbnail. You can select a frame from each of the downloaded sequences that you believe will draw the most viewers. To avoid wasting time creating an image, take a screenshot and save it. And now let's go to Canva. Here click Create and search for YouTube thumbnail. And now you can upload the image. There are a lot of elements in the Canva. You can add elements to make the thumbnail appear more mysterious. Finally, doing all the things, adding text. If you want to add text, add text. Save the design. And now all left to do is upload the video and begin your YouTube journey. Now let's take a look at the final finished product.
Welcome, fellow explorers of the unknown. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the top 10 most mysterious places in the world. Brace yourselves as we delve into the enigmas that have puzzled humanity for centuries.
So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools and AI tips and tricks, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.